Just a super quick message, guys. I wanted to announce that for the month of March, I'll be uploading daily quick tip tutorials for Studio Pro 8 for each day of the month. So, as the title implies, 31 quick tips over the next 31 days. These will generally be tutorials that are 3 minutes or less, and we'll be covering some of the new features in Studio Pro 8, as well as audio and MIDI tips, mixing tips, and much more. So if you're interested, be sure to stay tuned. And for day 1, we'll be taking a look at how to quickly fix clipping on the main bus in Studio Pro. And also, if you're interested in learning Studio Pro or previous versions of Studio One directly with me over Zoom, please check out the pinned comment below or the description area of this video, and you'll also find information for my mixing and mastering service there as well. Alright, hope you all are doing well, and I hope to see you over the coming 31 days of quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.